Welcome. Today we are going to master the concept of a local minimum in calculus, specifically focusing on the first derivative test. We will understand what it means when the derivative changes from negative to positive. Let's start with a visual intuition. Imagine you are hiking. A local minimum is exactly like the bottom of a valley. To get there, you first have to walk down. Once you reach the bottom, you stop, and then you begin to walk up the other side. In calculus, we use the derivative f prime of x to describe this movement. The derivative simply tells us the slope of the curve. A negative slope means the function is going down, and a positive slope means it is going up. Let's break it down. As we approach the minimum from the left, we are going downhill. Mathematically, the function is decreasing. This means the slope, or f prime of x, is strictly less than 0. It is negative. When we reach the exact bottom of the valley, we are momentarily flat. This is called the critical point. Here, the tangent line is horizontal. This means the slope, f prime of x, is equal to 0. Immediately after passing the bottom, we start climbing up the other side. The function is now increasing. This means the slope, f prime of x, becomes greater than 0. It is positive. So here is the rule, known as the first derivative test. If you find a critical point C, and you see that the derivative changes signs from negative on the left to positive on the right, then you have found a local minimum. Let's look at a classic example, x squared. The derivative is 2x if we check a value to the left, like -1, the slope is -2. If we check a value to the right, like +1, the slope is +2. The sign flipped from negative to positive, confirming a minimum at 0. Watch how the tangent lines behave. On the left, the red lines slope down. As we sweep across the bottom, it flattens out to yellow. Then, on the right, the green lines slope up. This transition from negative to positive is the signature of a valley. To summarize, when looking for a local minimum, remember this checklist. Look for the valley shape. Confirm the function switches from decreasing to increasing, and mathematically, ensure the derivative switches from negative to positive at the critical point.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.